time where progress reports are coming up on the 15th, which is this Friday, and we need to make sure that everybody is ready and has the best possible advantage to earning the best possible grade. Some people may be thinking, well, I have the rest of the term to turn it in. Yes, you do have until November 15th, which is the end of term 2, but work is going to be compounding, and we're going to get into the work more now that we're into midterm. We're going to be starting our first essay at the end of this week. So let me go through what you need to do to make sure you are on point to submit all of your work to have the best grade possible going into progress reports. If you are not in Aspen, please find a way to get into Aspen. Make Aspen your friend, put it on your phone. You want to get the alerts. You want to find out at any single moment exactly where you are with your grades. I also suggest someone at home be on Aspen. It helps to have people hold you accountable. I work that same way as well. So let's go through all the assignments that are in Aspen that you will see right now. We have extra credit. Something I call extra credit leadership. If you help out during class, if you are working with someone else in class and you're helping them, if you are doing something that goes above and beyond, then you can earn extra credit towards your class grade. And actually, let me back up for a second. I'm actually going to go over how I organize the grade book, which does affect you and your grade in ELA 10. There's just 3 different categories. There's your daily work. So how are you with class engagement? Are you on point? Do you come on time? Are you engaged in the activities? You don't necessarily have to be working collaboratively. If you prefer to work independently, that is fine. But regardless of what you choose, you're, for the most part, engaged, you're trying, you're showing your best effort. That is, that's the daily work. That is also 33.3% of your entire grade for the year. So think of it as in like the three-legged stool, right? You have your different parts for this course. Quizzes are not necessarily what we would consider the traditional quiz. I give very few traditional tests. In fact, I don't know if I give any traditional tests, but I do count things as tests, and I do count things as quizzes. Quiz grades will include your notebook checks. I will do that twice per quarter at least. So we already had our first one. We're going to have our second notebook check in about 2.5 weeks. And then the smaller assignments that will come up that are a little bit more in weight than what we do every day in class, but stand out, and so they deserve to be counted with a little bit more. So that is 33.3% as well. And then finally, we have our tests and final products. This would be debates, this would be essays, this would be, anything that we're doing formally. And so I include all of that the same weight, divided into 3 different categories, just so we can keep track of what we're doing and how we're doing it. This could change per quarter. Like if one quarter we do mostly a lot of daily work and not a lot of final products, then it'll change a little bit. Okay, knowing that, let's go into our assignments. And here's everything so far up until Friday, the 15th, for progress reports. We had our letter to me. This is 50 points. So this is definitely going to affect your grade either positively or not so positively. It's 50 points just by doing it. How do we do it? Well, go to Google Classroom. Go to the classwork tab, which is in the middle here, and you're going to find all of our assignments, and you're going to click on letter to me. And most people have turned this in on paper, which is definitely an option. Otherwise, you click here and you're going to get into this copy right here, and you would do file, make a copy in the upper left-hand corner, because this is a view only for you. And then you would share it with me on Google Classroom or submit it by email. Make sure it has your name. Although I prefer if you would upload it to your Google Classroom right here. The other thing, like I said, the notebook check was due the 1st, and that is 50 points, 50. It is a quiz grade. We also have here the Universal Ideas video mini lesson, and you'll find that video on my YouTube channel or linked right here, and then you'll find the Google form where you complete what it is that you watched, so that we know that you watched it, or I know that you watched it. And let's go back into Aspen to double check our other assignments. We have the model notebook keeper, so you will get extra credit if you are the model notebook keeper in class. And we have this silent debate. And this was the gallery walk where you split the paper in half and your team had an image and you had to say what that image was about, and you had to make claims about that image and provide reasoning, and then another team would come up and have a silent debate with you. So if you were in class, if you were trying your best, this is what you earn your credit on. If you are not in class for that debate, that silent debate, I mean, it happened over a period of days, then I want you, or you have the opportunity to complete this Habits of Mind paragraph makeup grade. This will be a makeup grade that will count for your credit for that silent debate in class. That is also a chunk of points as well. That's 50 points. So if you were not here, or you felt that you didn't try your best, or you were in and out and you're looking at your grade and you're like, I don't like my grade, then talk to me and we'll come up with another type of recovery grade, or you can go ahead and complete this makeup paragraph. And this makeup paragraph is looking at the Habits of Mind chart that I include here. And it's asking you to choose a habit of mind and to make a claim about that habit of mind with the syllabus as your backup. So this is essentially what is going on for your Aspen so far. If you have questions, let's take a look at this for a second. What is this? Oh, that's not anything. Sorry. If you have questions, please let me know. You can find me in our classroom. I was going to say where you could find me. Yeah, I'm losing my train of thought now. I don't want to stop because I don't want to re-record this. I've already re-recorded it like 3 times. So I'm just going to say, you know how to find me on email, not on Instagram, not on Twitter, not on anything, but just email and in the classroom. But talk to me if you are out. Talk to me if you have concerns, and we'll make it work for you.